older. We're getting older. You have little ones who are growing up. Inculcate it right now into their hearts, Iman. Inculcate, put it into their hearts, engrave it in their hearts right now. Let it stand still. That it doesn't matter what. La ilaha illallah. Allah comes first. Allah comes first. Salah, Quran, fasting, zakat, hajj, everything. All that is first. Because you know what happens when we don't do that? Then, as I said, unfortunately, we die and we go away and we just rot in the grave. You know, when you go into the cemetery down in Hialeah, you know, I went there once, a couple of times, and just to take a stroll, just to take a walk. It's a reality, it's hakikat. You should go see for yourself. If you don't visit the graveyard, you should go visit it. It may kill some of your nafs, right? It's good to visit it. So you go and you walk. And when you walk, you see the little small tombstones like this, in which people don't really care about their parents. They just give them that little thing for free. And you know what happens? The name starts to fade. Astaghfirullah. Literally, the name starts to fade. I've seen it. I've witnessed it. The name is beginning to fade. So you don't even know who you are. Your children don't even know you. The people don't even know you to even come and make a dua for you. Astaghfirullah. Make tawbah. Make tawbah. Ask for forgiveness for Allah. Ask for forgiveness for Allah. Get closer to Allah, my brothers and sisters. This is the month of Allah, Shahrullah. This is the month of Allah. This is the month of Allah. Get closer, attain that taqwa, that piety, that iman, that faith in Allah. Before we end, if you have people you're fasting. If you have people, blood ties, family, people that you don't talk to, you may have some type of bad blood with, call them, wherever they may be India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, they could be down in Miami. Call them and say, Assalamu alaikum, ana sa'im, I'm fasting. Forgive me if I have done anything wrong. Because the dua of a person who breaks ties with his relative and his bloodline is a dua that is not accepted by Allah. Allah says you will not be forgiven until a person who you have hurt will forgive you. So if you have people, you are fasting, this may just be the last run. This may just be the last run for some of us, my brothers and sisters. And we're saying that now, a lot of people think, yeah, he's saying that now, I have long to live. You don't have long to live. Just wait for the call. Wait for the call for the doctor visit. Dr. Saab, how long do I have to live? A couple of months, 2-3 years. Then you're going to understand and then run like a chicken with no head. Yeah. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. May Allah subhanahu